how to buy Coke on Sol or Coke on Sol token. So this token came under the symbol of Coke. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So before going on about this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check the Telegram channel too. They include it on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 days ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's medium investment in the same place. So this token is trending number 3 on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Fetch wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. So here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Coke token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.